Sewing with Janet. Finishing touches, adding pockets, belt loops, and button to jeans. These are the Ginger Jeans by Closet Core Patterns. I'm using a cotton linen lyocell blend twill from Lyrical Fabrics. I'm using Wonder Tape to stick my back pockets in place. This allows me to try on my pants and make sure I like the pocket placement. Before committing, it's faster than basting and I don't have to worry about pins poking me, and it's easy to find. I got it at Joann. I tear off a piece not longer than my pocket and apply the sticky side to the edge of my pocket. Peel off the backing to reveal another sticky side. Apply pressure to adhere. Repeat until pockets are adhered. To top stitch, I use an edge stitch presser foot. I adjust my stitch length to 3. I move my needle position to the right. I align the edge of my pocket with the bar in the center of the presser foot. When I reach a corner, I stop with the needle in the down position. Lift the presser foot and pivot. Lower the presser foot and continue. Once I reach the opposite corner, I sew another line 1/4 inch inside this one. I use the width of my presser foot as a guide. Press. I accordion fold my belt loop strip to divide it into 5 equal pieces. I'm unpicking my waistband in the spots I want my belt loops to go. This waistband was tricky for me, so I wanted to get it on before fussing with the belt loops. I'm top stitching that spot again to secure the belt loop. With the edge stitch foot, I align the bar in the center with the top stitching I did previously, with the needle in center position. Fold the top of the belt loop under. Press. I use a clapper, it's just a hunk of wood, to lock in that steam and really flatten my belt loop. Top stitch. I go back and forth a couple of times to reinforce. Make the buttonhole. Always do practice with scraps. I use a bit of fray check to keep it tidy when I go to open my buttonhole. Controversial, but this is my fave way to open a buttonhole. I'm slow and careful. I go from each outer edge toward the center. They make chisels. I have one. I don't love it. This works better for me. I can't find my awl, so this is just a fat needle. We make a hole where the button will go. Insert the back part of the button in the hole. I'm using a baby anvil and a hammer. Drive the back into the button. Yay! Testing functionality. Using a chomp chomp to collect threads and lint. And finished. Thanks for watching.